We live in a world of innovation, a world made smaller by the free flow of information the internet has made possible, and with innovation comes change. Change that improves our lives and creates a global opportunity for people in all parts of the world and from all walks of life. Unless you have been living under a rock, you have certainly heard of Bitcoin by now. You probably have a basic understanding of what Bitcoin is, but are you using it? Do you know how to acquire it, trade it, spend it, and overall receive benefit to your life? Regardless of how you answered those questions, we're here to help. We are Ecoin University, and we specialize in educating people on Bitcoin and related cryptocurrencies, and more importantly, how to benefit financially by utilizing our system to acquire cryptocurrency. Whether you are a seasoned crypto trader or completely new to the cryptocurrency world, Ecoin U will be your go-to resource. In this day and age, you need a crypto education. Ecoin U not only offers primers and tutorials on the fast-growing world of cryptocurrency, but gives you a simple, doable plan to acquire Bitcoin by simply referring others to our platform. We have created a lucrative compensation plan that rewards you for referring new customer subscriptions, and here's the great news. You can start for as little as $5 worth of Bitcoin. Joining on our Student Matrix is where everyone starts. This is a monthly subscription to our basic training and gives you access to what's hot to buy and sell, as well as our daily blog and news platform. At just $5 a month, everyone can afford to access this life-enhancing information and receive an ongoing education on the world of cryptocurrencies. Many of our students opt to also subscribe to the Trader Matrix when joining. This $20 monthly subscription gives you access to something everybody who wants to be financially free needs: our daily trading signals. That's right, you will learn how to trade like a pro when you subscribe to the Trader Matrix, and gain an education from documented traders teaching you when to buy and when to sell. The value is unmatched. Our third and final level is our Crypto Pro Matrix. This $100 monthly subscription is for people that desire to be full-time crypto pros, just like the name says. This gives you access to our weekly live coaching call with a question and answer session, so you can get personal one-on-one advice on all things crypto. Subscribing to all three levels is the wisest thing you can do if you want to be a true crypto pro and make a full-time income working from home. So, what does that look like? Not only is Crypto U a world-class educational platform, but it is also an income-producing system. You can collect a real residual income in the form of Bitcoin simply by referring people to our platform. The Student Matrix is just $5. Starting as a student places you into a $5 monthly 3x9 forced matrix that has the potential to pay as much as $12,363 each month. And all payments are made directly to your Bitcoin wallet in real time. No waiting for monthly commission runs. You get paid immediately as your matrix fills 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The Trader Matrix is just $20. Joining as a trader places you into a $20 monthly 3x9 forced matrix that has the potential to pay as much as $49,455 each month. And as with all our matrices, payments are made directly to your Bitcoin wallet in real time. Between both the Student Matrix and the Trader Matrix, you have over $61,000 in monthly earning potential for a small subscription purchase of just $25. Our third and final matrix is the Crypto Pro Matrix. Joining as a Crypto Pro places you into a $100 monthly 3x9 forced matrix that has the potential to pay as much as $247,275 each month. Subscribing to all three matrices gives you the ability to earn as much as $308,000 a month in Bitcoin, and all payments are made directly to your Bitcoin wallet in real time. This means that you can be receiving Bitcoin the same day you join. You may join on Matrix 1 or Matrices 1 and 2, or all three matrices at the same time. Or just join on Matrix 1 and use commissions earned to advance to the higher levels. This means that you can be positioned to earn up to $308,000 per month in residual income, or up to $3,696,000 annually in Bitcoin, all from a one-time subscription purchase of $5. And all commissions are paid to your Bitcoin wallet in real time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Oh, and you're going to love this. there are no qualifiers to earn commissions. Zero, zilch. Simply maintain your subscription and you are always positioned to earn. It's like turning on a Bitcoin faucet. That's the power of a forced matrix. As each new subscriber lands in your group, you receive benefit as they build their own network. This means you're getting help from those above you and help from below, and as your matrix grows, so does your income. This also means you can go to sleep and wake up with more Bitcoin. So if you are new to the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies and you want an education, or you simply want to earn more Bitcoins while you sleep, or both, the smartest thing you can do is join on all 3 levels today and take massive action. Bitcoin was created to empower the people, and our program was developed to fast-track you to success. At just $5, there is no risk, and you can cancel at any time, so don't waste another minute. In today's fast-changing world, you need a crypto education. Follow the link below and join now.